Okay, let me see. Oh, this is the person, right? They have, what is that? WS? They have short formed their names from a distance. That's actually a nice idea. What is this? The company Estelle. Essence Trader. Two Essence Traders. This is the person that I need to speak to. Okay. And there is more stuff over there. Okay. Let me first talk to her. Ah, a visitor. You're the only fine soul we have happened upon in this realm, and your appearance is a most welcome surprise. Who might you be? I'm a refuge of the calamity, new to these realms and trying to survive. I'm not in the habit of divulging much information. You're speaking with a realm walker extraordinaire. uh, let's see. Quite wise. Let us then be strangers no longer. Great many new faces in the realms as of late, with a great many stories to tell. Collecting such stories is my trade. Okay. Wilhelmia Sass, columnist for Nightingale's finest paper. Really, there is a. Okay. The Sunday Courier. Overjoyed to make your acquaintance. Now, if you are in need of more material services, nourishment, equipment, protection, I'm certain my companions here can provide. We have always time for a new customer. Protectioner, Nightingale City. Just fled the calamity. Do you know what happened on Earth? Can you tell me anything about the Pale? Do these merchants work for the Sunday Courier as well? Like there is press in this place. Like how is there media and press? Have you heard any rumors lately? Okay. First, let me ask this. Something simply awful, as I have surmised. Some say the Fae at last returned and with a vengeance. Others that faulty wire Others that faulty wiring pulled forth a plague from the void. Ruptures besides. I was otherwise engaged here in the realm, so I missed the excitement myself, but it's been enough to drive our prices skyward. Okay. How can you think of profit amid such tragedy? The clink of coin and a thrilling story do wonders for nagging conscience. Okay. Can you tell me anything about the Pale? The fog pouring forth from the Paris transept to destroy a earthly home? I could recount to you all manner of fallacious descriptions, but the contradictions are as plentiful as those who have fled it, and have yet to choose a favorite. I can at least say with some certainty that it does something quite dreadful to a fellow. None who entered were ever seen emerging. This is very similar to like Enshrouded Fog. Okay. You're from Nightingale City on. Have you heard of any rumors lately? She's asking me for some money or something? Okay. Yeah. Peek at the echoes in the hermetic guidebook of yours in return. The chance to peek directly into others' thoughts is. Have you heard tell of anyone notable out in the realms? Aurelio Acevedo Ortega. What? Wait, is this another? The influence of magic can wreak havoc on the mind, and despite his rather dull sensibilities, I have no doubt the man is mad. Okay, never mind. You mentioned protection. That I did. My esteemed colleagues here is always looking for work, and I'm sure they're about somewhere. They are a quiet sort, but I'm sure you'll find them to be a capable combatant, builder, rustabout, whatever you might require. And I imagine they're quite willing to accompany you once their work here is finished. Quite reason why should I be concerned with their work? Can't I just pay them and be off? You may find other surveyors and you'll be able to recruit them to your party. Recruited survivors can help you harvest resources, build structures, carry things, and fight off enemies. What? You may also elect to equip survivors with better equipment. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Okay, she had a lot to say. Is this another player or it's not, right? Like somebody stood right next to me. Was that another player? I got really confused. And the way the character moved, it was like it was a player. Do you? No, it was this lady. Never mind. Okay. It was that lady. Okay. Also, I don't think these are like player stuff. Maybe not. Hope not. I don't know. I'm really confused. Select an item to view more details. What is this? Hunter's hat. Oh. Oh, that was me. Okay. Gear. Cooking. I need a smelter. That's the first thing, right? Okay, so this is the essence that I extract. Sure. But what is this? 150 of something. And what about you? Tools, umbrellas. uh, Rain at bay, but can withstand little else. Okay. Temple Mall. Hammers. Fishing rod. Firearms. Cards. Resources. Okay, you can just buy resources from this guy. Furniture. Crafting benches. Sewing bench. Saw table. Smelter. Motor station. Oh my god, there is so much stuff that I want to buy. Okay. I bought it. Now I'm really curious. How did I have the currency for that? Oh, hopeful essence. Tier 1 essence. Oh. Okay. So this is what it is. Okay. Okay, I got the smelter from this guy. Is there anything else that I can buy? No. But I can probably just extract some essence, right? From some of the stuff. This is 4.5 kgs. Maybe just extract essence from this. Hide is important. Ice revolver cartridge. There are some fancy weapons in this game. Plant fiber crude. Bound fiber. Same icons. Awesome. Okay, I don't know what I don't want. I'll just keep everything with me. I'll probably buy one more stuff. Sewing bench, saw table, motor station, textile station. To make armor, I think I need a textile station or sewing bench. One of these two. Okay, what is this though? What? Oh, these are the... Oh, you... Okay, I'm confused. What is that? Are those all the stuff that I can craft from that? Oh, simple boots. Okay, so this is where... Okay, it is the stuff that I can craft from it. Let's see the saw table. Sure. Mortar. Okay. Enchanter's focus. You can craft cards. Masonry bench. Weak human seal. Weak dark seal. Okay. Anyway, I am buying this for sure. Not enough essence. Okay. Extract. Nice. No. I need one more essence. Nice. Okay. Crafting bench. Simple sewing bench. Bye. Perfect. Thank you. I don't know what that is though. Okay. There's already some development? Really? Okay. Have intercepted an interesting bit of correspondence, and it seems that our presence in the realms has had the most gainful impact. What is this? Master Quatermain. Latest field report came with a curious bit fortuitous discovery that you should find most promising. Most eager group of realm walkers. Okay. Certain wisps have taken to gathering in strange clusters as if moths to a flame or bees to their queen. Upon dispersal, the wisps uncovered a before unseen type of essence, which the team managed to retrieve and return to me. Through extraction and careful study, I have determined the source of this new essence to be human hope. Though how hope came to be the origin of this essence, I cannot say it. Okay. I shall continue my research, but I do not believe the implications of this discovery should go without celebration. There is hope in these realms. What better way to bolster our fortitude than to celebrate these sparks of hope? Wait, what? I did not. As I hope, the hope we... Fine compensation. Sure. Exciting new stock. Okay, so this will probably unlock some new recipes. Oh, I already have that. It's this one, this specific thing. Hopeful essence. Human hope. Buzzing with life. This essence carries with... Oh, okay. So each of the material has like essence, and I'm basically extracting it. It's basically like every single thing is a living being, and I'm extracting essence. That's very weird. Like rocks are also living beings, and I can extract essence. And this I probably got from those wisps, right? That I killed? Yeah, I probably got from that. Okay. Ah. And I assume it's this one. It's so costly. Like these things are very, very costly. Black pudding. Traditional kettle. I really hope these things give like lots of... it's a very high quality food. Okay. Now what do you need? 6 sticks, 6 plant fiber. Oh, that's enemy. I spawned them. I think it's better for me to just deal with them now than wait on it. He lived? Die, please. Thank you. Where are these guys running? Okay. I missed. How did I? Item is breaking. Okay, thank God. Okay, get all of that. Is rustic table lamp. Okay. Oh man. Wait, didn't I repair this? Okay, I repaired it now. Okay, so this always gives me cartridges and the other one gives me some other stuff. Okay. Now, what is this? Okay, so there is some loot over there. Is this a ship? This is a broken down ship. Yeah, it is a ship. Okay. But it's very weird that it's over here. Oh, what is this? Really? That's what you have to offer me? From like a golden chest. What about you? Yeah, why can't I? Ah, that was disappointing. It's fine. Endurance infusion. What was that? Glass, Ethereum. Okay. Every direction that I see, there is always something new. Okay, except that. I don't want that. Yeah, I'm leaving. I don't want to fight those things. Is there like a quick button that I can... I have to press this. I was seeing if there was like a shortcut of some kind that I could press. Okay, I give up. I give up. Roasted meat. By the way, wasn't I... Was that a suicide bomber? That was, right? Oh, man. Oh! Oh! Thank you! What? Estelle, thank you. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. Also, the suicide bomber just one-tapped me. How is that fair? I have to break some stuff down. Okay, I have looted everything over here, right? Yeah. Let me just go back before a new suicide bomber spawns. And just... Do this. I need 2 more sticks. See. Wait, it was one of this. Oh man. Okay. Okay. All I need is sticks and rocks. Let's see something. If I take this and do that, that is not what I was going for. Okay, can I break it down a lot? Like, nope. Or can I right click that? No. Okay, what about over here? Nope. Okay. We cannot break it down manually. There must be some other way of getting sticks. Using some equipment or something like that. Station. Oh, that is, I just went there. I have already checked that place. Yeah, every direction that I look at, there is always something new that I need to explore. That's nice. Nice. All I need is rocks. Ah, okay. And it's rocks which I can't... it's not the rocks that I get from breaking this. I don't need sticks. Yeah, it's that one. Extract, confirm. I have gotten 14. Okay. I thought each of those gave me just one rock, but no. This gave me multiple rocks. Magic chest. Let me check something. Okay, I wonder if my essences get dropped when I die. Okay, so these things just unlocked. Oh, this is probably like this, like the bedrolls and all of this cooking station is probably for these 3 guys. Wait, what about her? One of you cannot sleep. Oh, I guess one of you will keep guard when the other person rests. So, yeah, one person should be awake. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Now let me talk to you. For hire, recruit Estelle. Okay, let me just not do it. Let me not do it just yet. But also, but I think it'll be really good because she can like revive me, so it's helpful. Also, do you have like a weapon? Oh, he does. Okay. Wait, it was a quest? Okay, sure. Set behavior. Attack allowed, revive allowed, mining allowed, logging allowed. Okay. Everything is allowed. Sure. Manage equipment and inventory. What is this? Mining pick, crude. She has better armor than me. She is 16. And she has gloves. Okay. I was kind of tempted to steal that, but nah, it's fine. And then there is dismiss. Sure. Okay. So this is the marker that I have put. Oh, infestation completed. Oh, nice. It tells me that. Okay, that's nice. I went there. Why is that still over there? I don't know. Okay. Okay, so there are like various different. So I was thinking it's just. I wasn't thinking it was something that I can complete or something. I thought it like enemies would constantly spawn. I thought I would just defeat them and loot stuff over there temporarily, right? But no, it's like a place which can like completely kill all the enemies and they will never respawn there, I assume. So that's actually nice. Okay, that means there's so much stuff to explore. Oh. I really hope the devs have not like hidden loot all the way over here, stuff like that. That is not a thing in this game. Oh, you can actually take a look into this place. Wait, oh no, 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 no. I survived. Uh, okay, where is Estelle though? Why is she not following me? Oh, she is. Okay. I guess I went to a place where she was not able to reach me. Okay, she is following me. Nice. I have a feeling if I go there, I will die. Like this is protected by some sort of electrical barrier. You stand now before the gateway to our... Wait, who is this? Introduction into the Order of Red Cross Knights. Yeah, you stand now before the gateway to our first sacred site of power. He seemed to loom over us, despite his short stature. Armor gleaming in the fading sun. Every bit of which... Okay. To cross this threshold is to be deemed worthy of our ranks. None who lack the courage, the strength, the heart will pass the bounds of our ancient magic. Falter here and be forever barred. My hand shook, my breath got to be turned away at the precipice after a lifetime of longing. If your intentions are true, your young squires have not but surely that you will meet me on the other side as equals. With stately grace, he turned from us and dispersed a glimmering. Okay. It means I need to get gear score of 20 before going in there. That's what it means. Okay. Okay, that is fine. I will get that specific gear score and then come back. Wait. How did I... Oh. Oh, she pushed me off. No. Wait, it's something to do with the stairs. It automatically pushes me off? No. What if I run? Oh, you can't run. Okay. If you run, it pushes you off automatically. Okay. Okay, you don't even need to run, I guess. It just pushes you off. Okay. Ah, that's a weird bug. Sure. Now I think I will just have to head back to base. Okay, I can't fast travel. That's irritating.